Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? How you doing? I'm glad to hear.
착한 얼굴에 그렇지 못한 태도 한여린 몸에 쏙 가려진 볼륨은 그대로 거침없이 지친 굳이 보진 않지는지 블랙하면 핑크 우린 예쁘지 않은 셀리 원하던 대놓고 뺐지 눈물에도 팔로 무배기 두 손엔 가득한 배치.
So if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're back from the dead from the last video, then hey, how's it going guys? How you doing? I'm back. Woo! Lord help all those people. Alright, so we're back. I think my face looks a little bit different. So if you haven't already, press the subscribe button because I'm cool, I'm lit, yeah, okay. Press the notification button as well. And at the end of this video, if you like it, press the like button because likes matter. So share this video with your friends, your family, anybody who's going to college, anyone who's looking forward to college, I don't know, but I hope these things can help you all, and I hope to see you all in the video. So yeah, see ya. So now on to the actual video that you guys have been waiting for, because you're like, oh girl, shut up, get to the point. You guys are probably here because of the title of the video, which is 5 things you most definitely need for college move-in day. So these are things that you're probably gonna not think about but really need, and like these things are interchangeable. You know, some people might need them and some will not. If you don't, then congratulations. So if I'm looking over, it's because my list is right here. Okay, hold up, gotta read it. Be hydrated. The first thing I would most definitely recommend that you have or bring is your school ID. I know you're probably like, girl, duh. You'd be surprised how many people forget this. You'd be surprised. And when you're that one awkward person that just can't get their room key or can't get that one piece of paper that you need because you don't have your school ID, and then you gotta run all over campus looking for how to get a temporary one, you're gonna think about me and you're gonna think about this video, and I'm gonna say, I told you so. I told you so. So let's all do each other a favor and make sure we have our school IDs, please. Next thing on the list, number 2, will be wear clothes that you don't care about messing up. Like, y'all, it's move-in day. It's not fashion week, it's not first day of high school, it's not first day of middle school, it's not vacation. Like, yo, you're about to go through the hardest time of your life. Wow, that was ugly. Move-in day, seriously, like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hot. Pretty sure it's gonna be hot. At least where I live, I know it's gonna be hot because it's gonna be August, and in Texas that's like 120-degree weather. Sis ain't going in there in a blazer or a cute dress. Like, sis going in there in some workout shorts and a tank top, because come on y'all, let's be realistic about what we wear now. You're not trying to, I know you might see that one cute guy on your floor or whatever, or one cute girl, whatever you like. Let's be reasonable. You're gonna be tired from lugging all that stuff up there, and then you gotta put it all away, and then you're probably gonna have like floor meetings, and then you're gonna have stuff going on outside that they want you to go to. So let's be real. Don't go up there trying to impress nobody, because that's the day where it's okay to be ugly. Because I do that every day, so I have no problem saying that. I know some of you might struggle with being ugly, but some of us in the world struggle a little more than you. Well, alongside that would be to wear comfortable shoes, because you're gonna be moving around a lot and you're not gonna be standing in one place. Like, don't wear sandals or none of that. Wear like walking shoes, running shoes, things that, like athletic shoes that give like good support to your ankles, because you might break some ankles out there, especially if you go up and down the stairs. So take my advice. Thing number 3 would be to bring containers. bring containers or boxes to put your stuff in, because you're not going to want to bring each individual thing. You're going to want to bring this at once. And you're like, oh, I left this in the car. I'm going to bring just this one blanket up the stairs, and then this one, did I say blanket? This one pillow up the stairs, and then this one comforter up the stairs, and then my backpack, and then my no, so put all your stuff, like smash stuff into containers. Like, you don't have to keep them in your dorm, but bring like maybe collapsible boxes or things like that, so you can get stuff up there as quickly as possible, because you're not gonna want to go up and down the floors unless you are a blessed soul who is on the first floor. Congratulations. So bring stuff, bring boxes and things to store other stuff inside. Like, don't bring stuff individually. Put them in a box. You're saving space and time. Yeah. So next is, for those boxes, bring labels, because seriously, like, I don't know if you guys' schools tell you this, but I know if you may not, but like, you're gonna want to label your stuff. Like those boxes I just told you to bring, put your room number and your space on there. Now, some people have like apartments, and some people have like the dorm, like the traditional dorm style, like I do. And so I have like side B of the room, and some people might have like room A, room B, room C, whatever. So you're gonna want to put your room number, your name, and your space letter, so they know, because usually they're gonna have helpers and they're gonna take your stuff for you, because they're so sweet and they just love giving up their time to do work for you. So they're gonna need to know where to take it, and you might just tell them, but do you really think they're gonna remember when they stand in line for the elevator and they like talking to their friends, and they're gonna be like, oh, which one is it? Dang. So make sure you label your stuff, because then it'll get lost in limbo and you're never gonna find, and you're gonna be really sad. And last but not least is number 5, and that is cleaning supplies. Now, people may be like, why would I need that? But trust me, from my experience of going to move my sister in, those dorm rooms are nasty. Like, I know they're like, yeah, we cleaned them before the last person left, but when you see that bathroom, like my room has a bathroom in it. Now, you may have communals, but still, like, you may see your dorm and you're like, sis, this is nasty. Like, and even if it is clean, like, y'all, thousands, hundreds of people have been sleeping and eating and farting and tooting and pooting in there, and all their germs are in there. That made me sound real country. But these people have been doing that for years, y'all. Like, bring like Clorox wipes, Lysol, and if you have like an apartment style with a kitchen and stuff, definitely bring like 409, bring Clorox and stuff to wipe all that down, because you don't know what's been on there. Like, ew. Ew. So bring stuff to like wipe down. Most of the mattresses have like that plastic over them, so wipe down that, wipe down the window sills, wipe down the doorknobs, all the handles, wipe down, like if you have a bathroom like me, wipe down your sink. Like, bring shower stuff to spray down the showers. If you have a toilet, bring toilet stuff. So just like things you like, you know you're gonna need to clean, things that may have been touched by others that probably weren't cleaned right. Bring stuff to clean those down. So even if it's Clorox wipes, just wipe it down before you put anything down. That's all I had for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and if there's anything else you want to know about, let me know in the comments, or like DM me, whatever you want to do. But yeah, so I hope that these will be beneficial to you in the future when you move in. And yeah, man, I know I say yeah a lot. I am so sorry. I need to stop that. But yeah, I hope to see you all next time. And yeah, bye, my dude.
Thanks for watching, Jamisha. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tweet me at David Dobrik. Anything else you want to add, Tammy? All right, cool. Yeah, me too.
나는 뭐랄까 아주 오래전부터 너를 좋아했었다고 지금 말한다면 뭐가 달라질까